Hello there, Dr. Aly Shariff here with Infinite Healing Chiropractic and Wellness Center. And one of the things that we always talk about is getting adjusted through your pregnancy. And it's very important because you want to optimize your spinal health through all of your pregnancy because you're carrying life within you. So you want to make sure you're getting adjusted. And I get asked a lot of times, is chiropractic safe during pregnancy? Absolutely. We see lots of benefits of chiropractic care. And this is our patient, Cristina. Cristina, you went through your first pregnancy with chiropractic care, right?
I did.
And so, and this is our second one that we're going through, and we're now adjusting you. You're 16 weeks along, okay? We were adjusting from the very beginning, okay? So what you're going to see here is you're going to see me adjusting Cristina through her pregnancy. You're going to see a series of adjustments of how we adjust at this point, and also how we're going to be adjusting later too. Okay?
All right.
All right. Okay. Set the pillow up right in. The beauty of having a table like this and also being able to accommodate our patients, we'll take glasses, right? Perfect. Makes it very comfortable for them while they're getting adjusted in this position too. Perfect. Up onto this side. Is that okay?
Yep.
Good. Awesome. Okay. Now back onto your team. So in this position, the table, the drop pieces there absorb all the impact for the adjustment. It makes that adjustment much more comfortable for the patient. Just going to get you to look to the right and look to the left. Back in center. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to get you to go onto your back. Take your time. Just going to take the pillow from underneath. Just drop the headpiece here. Beautiful. You're welcome. Awesome. Excellent. Easy as that. How's that?
Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you.